From ancient wonders to the mighty Nile, Egypt is an unforgettable experience. But before you go, here's what you must know. Number 1. When to go. The best time to visit, October to April. You'll avoid the extreme heat and enjoy the sights comfortably. Apply now for your Egypt e-visa using the link in the description and make your arrival seamless. Egypt is packed with breathtaking spots. Here are a few you can't miss. First, Pyramids of Giza, the only surviving wonder of the ancient world. Second, Luxor and Karnak temples, walk through ancient Egyptian history. Third, Valley of the Kings, tombs of the pharaohs including King Tut. Fourth, Aswan and Abu Simbel, ancient temples carved in rock. Fifth, Nile River cruise, sail between Luxor and Aswan in style. Last but not the least, Red Sea resorts, Hurghada, Sharm el-Sheikh, perfect for diving, beaches, and relaxation. Egyptians are warm and hospitable. But here are a few things to keep in mind. Dress modestly, especially at religious sites. Haggling is expected in markets. It's part of the fun. Friday is a holy day. Plan accordingly. Tipping or bakshish is common, so keep small change handy. Egypt is an epic adventure waiting to unfold. With a little preparation and the right mindset, your journey will be truly unforgettable.